Hello everyone. I'm here right now at the Europa Property Retail Awards. As last year, it's always a good opportunity to attend the event, to meet a lot of people. I think retail at the moment, it's a very interesting topic because of more and more e-commerce entering the market and being in competition to the established shopping centers. But if you see here recent developments in the retail sector, for example, it's interesting to see that food and beverage share is increasing more and more. You see new concepts in the market. You see that shopping centers are getting bigger and bigger. Overall, I think the market is in a very good condition. The fundamentals in Poland are very strong, and that's why I think it's very interesting to invest in the retail sector, but also other sectors are very strong. So we like being here at the events. It's good that Europa Property also is doing events in other countries. As for example, we as PBB Deutsche Pfandbriefbank are active in more countries. So we are active in Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary and Romania, where also Europa Property is active in. And that's really a perfect fit, and that's why we like the event. Thank you very much.